Hello everyone and welcome to Sparkle English. Today's mini lesson is on the difference between new and new. It is very common for English language learners to get confused how to spell or use these words correctly since they are homophones and sound exactly the same. Let's learn the difference between these two words. New, spelled N-E-W, is an adjective. New is the opposite of old. It also means fresh or unused. Here are some examples. Does he have a new job? This is my new friend, Susie. We just bought a new house. I got a brand new phone for Christmas. New, spelled K-N-E-W, is the past tense of the verb know. It means to be familiar with someone or something. To know can also mean to understand or to have knowledge of something. Let's look at some examples. The doctor knew how to heal the patient. She knew all the answers to the test. Dad knew a quick way to drive to the city. I knew how to play the flute as a child. Now let's look at some mixed examples using both new and new. I already knew that she got a new boyfriend. Jason knew the new kid at school. He knew I got a new piano for my birthday. Are these sentences correct or incorrect? Do you like your new book? My boss hired a new assistant. I knew all the answers on the test. He knew what to do when we were lost. Take a moment to write down or think about your answers for these sentences. Now let's check these sentences. Numbers 2 and 4 are correct. Numbers 1 and 3 are incorrect. In sentence 1, we need to spell new, N-E-W, because we want to use the adjective to describe an unused book. In sentence 3, we need to spell new, K-N-E-W, because we are using the past tense of the verb to know. How did you do? Let me know in the comment section how many you got correct out of 4. Now it's your turn to practice. Write sentences using new and new in the comment section of this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos on how to improve your level of English. Thanks for watching.